Announcing the national rollout of the MedX Home Back Machine program. MedX is the gold standard for the treatment of low back injuries and the world leader in specialized medical strengthening equipment.
It's been estimated that 5% of the population in back pain accounts for 75% of the costs.
We do know statistically that those patients that are injured at work and do not receive appropriate therapy in the short period of time result in prolonged off work and costly expenses for employers. With the MedX device, we're able to curb that extraordinary cost associated with low back care by bringing the patients into a proven, research-proven environment and monitoring them throughout the entire process.
And when we really talk about rehabilitation throughout the years, it's been very difficult to quantify. So if we're trying to give a prescription for neck and back pain, what we want to do is measure function. And function is basically strength, range of motion, and endurance.
If we're going to talk rehabilitation, we need to focus primarily on strengthening the back. And for that, the MedX machine has been shown for decades to be a very effective way to make it happen.
The MedX equipment is specifically recommended by the official disability guidelines as proven to have superior outcomes. MedX enters into a lease with the physician or practice to prescribe the MedX Home Back Machine program for its workers' comp patients. MedX handles the delivery of the equipment to the patient's home and assigns a personal clinician to the patient. The personal clinician individually instructs the patient on the proper use of equipment and then monitors and encourages the patient during the 90 days of treatment.
The new program, based on a home-based MedX machine, which allows me to link you electronically to monitor your progress, gives me the best of both worlds. The strengthening of the MedX machine and the ability to watch what you do, monitor what you do, report on what you do, and give you the encouragement you need to succeed.
The MedX technology is FDA registered, holds more than 30 patents, and has over 75 peer-reviewed medical journal articles published.
The biggest single problem in rehabilitation is compliance. Without question, the biggest problem I face in getting someone to rehabilitate themselves is getting them to do what I told them to do.
The major benefits of the MedX home therapy device is that patients remain compliant with their therapy throughout the process.
That capability of getting there at any time and fitting it in your schedule. And the same to be said for the clinician itself. The less he has to spend time going back and forth or waiting for patients to come, everything can be done more efficiently and effectively.
So creating a system that allows me to go and do what I do best, which I'm focused on, and still gives you what you need, that I think is just fantastic. There's more to this than just having the machine in your home. This machine is linked now, electronically. We can track what they do. We can track their outcome. This is magic. Now I've got a machine that can talk to me, can tell me what you're doing, and I can show you the progress you made. And that's another big issue. Having this thing done remotely so that it's being monitored saves me an enormous amount of time.
The key with the home MedX piece of equipment is empowering the patient.
And the beauty of the new system, the home-based system, is you don't have to go to the hospital or the clinic. You can do it yourself in your own home, and that is a huge advance.
They could do it at 10 o'clock at night, or they could do it at 7 in the morning, where a lot of these places may not be open. So it allows that convenience.
So the more convenient it is for patients to do their care, we think the greater the participation will be.
MedX has been helping patients reduce pain, restore spinal function, and improve quality of life for the past 30 years.
Greatest benefit to our practice is the fact that we have patients telling their friends and family members that we were able to succeed in getting them back to work.
MedX is 100% made in the USA and has been for the last 30 years. More information on the MedX Home Back program can be found by visiting medxhome.com.